Hello, little gardeners. I am Nia, and this is my cheerful friend Pico. Today, we have come to the Nimboo nest garden for a tiny mystery. On the potting table, Pico finds one small striped seed. It looks quiet, but a baby plant is waiting inside. Can something this tiny grow tall and strong? Let us find out together. Our seed needs a safe home, so we choose a clean terracotta pot with a hole at the bottom. The hole lets extra water drain away. With help from a trusted grown-up, I use a child-safe trowel to scoop soft soil into the pot. Scoop, tip, and pat. Scoop, tip, and pat. We leave a little space at the top so water will not spill over. Pico tries to pat the soil with his tiny feet. Tap, tap, tap. Now I make one small hole with my fingertip. The seed goes into the hole, not too deep and not too close to the top. Good night, little seed. I cover it gently with a soft blanket of soil. Planting step complete. What should we do next? A seed needs water, but only the right amount. I use the little green watering can and pour slowly. Drip, drop, drink. The soil becomes damp, not a giant puddle. Too little water can leave a plant thirsty, while too much can make its roots unhappy. Next, we place the pot where it can receive warm sunlight and fresh air. Plants need water, sunlight, air, space, and time to grow. Sunlight helps the leaves make food for the plant. We cannot pull the plant taller, so our most important job is to wait and care for it. Morning becomes evening, and evening becomes morning. Let us peek beneath the soil with our pretend garden window. First, the seed coat becomes soft and begins to open. A tiny white root grows down into the soil. Roots hold the plant steady and absorb water. Then a pale green shoot curls upward, searching for the light. Down go the roots, and up comes the shoot. The shoot pushes through the soil, and two little green leaves unfold. Pico chirps so loudly that I think the sprout might chirp back. Hello, little sprout. We are happy to meet you. Each day, we check the soil, give only the water it needs, and let it enjoy the sunshine. The stem grows taller. More green leaves open wide. Leaves collect sunlight, roots absorb water, and the sturdy stem supports the plant. Pico measures it with his wings, but soon it is taller than both of us. At the very top, a round green bud appears. We wait a little longer, and the bud slowly opens. One golden sunflower smiles at the sky. A butterfly visits the flower, and Pico performs his happiest garden dance. Later, the sunflower can make new seeds. Those seeds may grow into new plants. That is a plant life cycle: seed, root, shoot, sprout, plant, flower, and new seeds. Can you put our garden pictures in order? Which comes first, the flower or the seed? The seed comes first. Which part grows down into the soil? The roots. Which part grows up toward the light? The shoot. What do plants need? Water, sunlight, air, space, time, and gentle care. Wonderful gardening. Now sing with us. Tiny seed beneath the ground. Little roots grow down, down, down. Green shoot reaches up so high. Leaves drink sunshine from the sky. Water gently, wait and see. A happy plant for you and me. Seed, root, shoot, sprout, flower. Growing is a garden superpower. You completed the tiny seed's big journey. Thank you for growing and learning with Nia and Pico. See you soon at Nimboo Nest Kids.